Yeah, a bunch more. Let's see if we can let's see what's in the goodies, huh? Yeah. Let's see. What's in the goodies? Whoo. Got a bunch of goodies. See if I can unbox it. Unbox what's in the goodies, huh? Let's see if I can do this. Yeah. Oh boy. Got some goodies in here, huh? Oh boy. Let me see. Oh boy. Box of goodies. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. You taped it up real good, didn't you? Taped it up real good, huh? Very, 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 very good. Too good. There we go. Now, see what's in here. Ooh, I got some goodies. Look at that. Down4Sound receipt. I got a team Down4Sound. Okay. Team Down4Sound. I'm on team Down4Sound. Yeah, okay. I'm about to put that, yeah, I'm about to put that on here somewhere. Yeah, I'm about to put it right there somewhere. Yeah. Put it right there, yeah. Right there, yeah. Okay, yeah. Ooh, look what I got. I got the suckers. Hey, JP, hey. Sucker game is on. Hey, yeah. Got some suckers. Yeah, I might get these to the grandkids, so, you know what I'm saying? We get these to the grandkids, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, so what we got in here? What's this? Okay, we got a Down4Sound amp, the M2. This is gonna be my new amp for the highs, yeah, because I got the Jensen in her now, and figure, you know, let's go ahead and get a better quality amp. So we're gonna get the Down4Sound MM2 channel. Yeah, this is gonna replace the Jensen amp that I got in the Jeep. Yeah, that's good stuff right there. That's good stuff right there, boy. And these are the grills. Okay, yeah. These are the grills for them things. Yeah, 6x9, me some 6x9s. Yeah, I get them out. And I got these for the Jeep as well. These S565 Pros, 6.5 Pros. Yeah, I got one. I got two. Let me get them out. And this amp right here, the JP23Z. This is going into that thing right there, the vet. Yeah, we're gonna give a vet some Down4Sound amp. Put that in the vet. Red, yeah. Yeah, this will go into the vet. Like I say, it's be a separate video for that. For this, when we hook this up and test it, we do a separate video for the vet. Yeah, for this one. Yeah. And then got some tweets. Yeah, we got some tweet. We're gonna be tweeting. Yeah, that's going into the Jeep. Yeah. And then, yeah, 6x9s. Yeah, we got some 6x9s. That's going to the Jeep as well. 6x9s. Yeah. And then we have the last, yeah, that's going to the Jeep as well. Yeah. So, yeah, that's the stuff we got. The other stuff we got from the Down4Sound. Yeah, we got a lot of Down4Sound stuff. Right, yeah. Check this out. The 6x9 is about to go in there. We're going to replace these Kenwoods. You know, these were some real cheap Kenwoods. And so we're going to go ahead and do some upgrading real quick. Let's go ahead and upgrade. All right, you guys. Open up the 6x9s. I got the CD 6x9s, man. Ooh, look at them things. Them things is pretty, and look at that. Look at that boxing. Even the boxing is tight on this thing. 6x9s, man. Yeah, this is nice, man. Like them 6x9, like they gonna hit hard compared to those damn things. Yeah. Let me take them out the box real quick. All right, I took one out the box, and wow, look at that. Ooh, look at that 6x9. Look at that. Down4Sound. Look at that, man. Magnet, man, and it come with push terminal. Look at that. Ooh, push terminals, man. Look at that. That looks good, man. You know what I'm saying? That looks all right. As you can see, them 6x9s is much beefier than them Kenwoods, man. But these are basic entry, entry Kenwoods, and these are the nice, 6x9s by Down4Sound. Man, they gonna sound good. Yes, look at that, man. I cannot wait to install them and hear these things, man. For sure. All right, my people. What's up? Got my grandson in here. But yeah, the Down4Sound speakers are now installed in the they get ready to go into the car. Got grandsons and grandkids and people around. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna hook it up and see how it sounds. Guys, I got the new Down4Sound amp for them Down4Sound speakers that I installed. That's the old Jensen. We're gonna go with this new Down4Sound amp, and let's go ahead and let's see how it sounds. All right, my people, it's getting late, but I do got the Down4Sound speaker. I put it in the sound bar. I got the one in there, and just go ahead and put the other Down4Sound up there, and yeah, we're getting it together. Light on, and yeah, you see the Down4Sound underneath the seat. Yeah. We got that underneath the seat, the Down4Sound. Yeah, we getting the Down4Sound system together a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Down4Sound. Yeah, and Down4Sound. Yeah. We are getting it together, y'all. Yeah. Little bit by little bit. Yeah. All right, I think I got everything put in. You know, you see the subs are in there, and if you look here, hold it. Let me, yeah. So now if you look here, see the Down4Sound, that's my new high amp. Still got the Sundown SB 5000, and I still got the dual LT4s. Yeah, they still kicking, man. LT6s, right? Yeah, they still kicking, man. Yeah, that's my amp setup. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah. All right, you guys, gonna listen to some highs real quick, see how they sound. Wow, they're punchy, man. I don't know if you guys can hear that, man. Whoa, they punchy, just the highs. Just doing the little speaker upgrades and sub upgrades. I can definitely tell the difference from the old speakers to these new speakers. There is definitely a difference. There's a lot more. I see a lot more mid bass punch than I had before when I had the Kenwoods in here. Definitely a lot more punch, man. Yeah, we got more videos coming, man. But yeah, these mids and highs, the Down4Sound speakers, hey, they got some little kick to them, man. Mid bass kick was I was missing, man. I got it now, so hey, Yeah, so we're gonna end this video, and we'll do some more testing, y'all, and stay tuned. We'll do some more testing. Yes, keep bassing. Wow, that is clear. It's not even up all the way. It's not even up all the way. Them Down4Sound speakers is legit, man. They're not even broke in. But man, it is loud. It's loud and clear, man. I mean, it's loud and clear, man. Almost sound like a club, man. Loud and clear, man. I like it, man. Loud and clear. Yeah. This camera does no justice, man. Wow, this is installing that. Like I said, I can play bass heavy music, or I can play like EDM, electronic dance music. Sounds good. Alright, y'all. Nice and clear. Loud and clear. Not even up all the way, but it's still nice and clear.